Writener is the most advanced writing tool in the world, and in this video, we'll show you why. Using the Blog Builder tool, you can develop a comprehensive blog project in just a few minutes, which includes all the guidelines, a psychographic analysis of your target audience, the editorial plan, the blog concept, a list of topics, article titles, and so much more. For a quick guide on how to use this tool, refer to our dedicated video. Here, we want to introduce you to Writener's blog writing tool, our blog writer. For this example, let's assume we've already performed the psychographic analysis of our target audience, established the blog concept, and created a list of topics and titles for our upcoming articles. Meanwhile, thanks to Blog Builder, we've also prepared a condensed version of the audience analysis and blog concept. The first thing the blog writer asks us to create is our writer persona. A writer persona is a detailed profile of the author who will write our blog, tailored precisely to our project. It won't be just any AI tackling the challenging task of writing our articles, but an AI specifically selected based on our project's needs, embodying all the knowledge and professional skills we require. To create our specific writer persona, which will be different for each blog we work on, we go to the Writer Persona Creator template and input a list of expertise our writer should have, and our condensed blog concept. Once we have our writer persona, we copy it and save it in a file where we can easily find it for frequent use. The next step is to obtain an outline for the article we want it to write. Blog Writer allows us to generate the outline in 4 distinct ways, according to our preferences. We can create it from a topic, a group of keywords, one of the titles we produced with Blog Builder, or our free description. For this example, we take one of the titles we have and enter it into the outliner from Titles template, along with the recently obtained writer persona and the condensed report on our target audience. The outline we get will be specific to our audience and written by our top writer. We then take this and copy it onto a Word file. At this point, we present you Writener's Article Writer, the best tool for writing long articles available on the market. In this gem of semantic programming, we input our writer persona, target audience, and the entire previously obtained outline. But be careful, to ensure absolute coherence, it's crucial to add the paragraph from the outline for which we're requesting writing and those for which we've already obtained it. Finally, we can even specify if we want to sell a product within the paragraph we're about to write. Semantic programming is a powerful tool, but precision is necessary when entering information to avoid unusual or inconsistent results. In this case, we specify that we don't want to sell any products, ensure that we've selected our preferred output language, assign an appropriate tone of voice, and click on Generate Text. Our writer persona will use all their specific knowledge and skills to write a piece that perfectly resonates with our target audience, taking into account all the paragraphs they have to write and those they've already written, within an overall outline. When we have the result, we copy it and paste it under the corresponding paragraph name. We repeat this procedure for all the outlines paragraphs until we obtain the complete article according to our needs. Should we want to expand one or all of the paragraphs to get an even longer text, we can go to template number 8, the Paragraph Expander. Here we can copy our paragraph and lengthen it even more. Please note that a similar procedure is available on Writener for writing non-fiction books starting from a table of contents. You can use these 2 procedures in combination to obtain long and coherent texts, aligned with our project and target audience. That was an overview of creating long and complex articles. If instead, Your audience is more casual and short on time, and you're looking for a tool for creating short articles. Writener has everything you need. Under the content category, you'll find our article generator. Here you just need to enter the title, the keywords for which you want to index, assign a tone of voice, and press generate text to get a short article in a few seconds. If you think all of this is incredible, know that this is just a small taste of Writener's immense potential. Sign up for Writener now by clicking on Start for free and receive the first 10,000 words as a gift. No credit card is required. You can try all of its functionalities without limits, and in the end, you can decide whether to subscribe or continue with the pay-as-you-go service. See you soon on Writener.